Morning guys, gonna head off to Automasters this morning. We're just doing a fluid check at the moment, a safety check underneath. We're going to check the diff oils, the gearbox oil. We're doing an oil change and oil filter. See what else needs to happen when we're there. Thanks, see you soon, bye. That's the Toyota F155 motor running a 5-speed box. It's running well. I've been driving it kind of as a daily driver lately for a couple of weeks. I just sold my Chev 1500 just to go back to the old girl for camping, and I'm enjoying it. Around the corner from my house, pop in and do a little bit of work today. Bit of a safety check a few things, make sure everything's okay, because I'm keen to do a couple of little camping trips. So with these upgrades we're looking to do, we're not going to just make it perfect before we travel, before we get out there and camp a bit. We're just going to do it as we go. So I'm still working, we're going to be working, we're going to be fixing the truck up, we're going to be getting the rear camping equipment sorted, and we're going to be camping as well, so why wait? This truck's been many places over the years. Started off going up and down to Coober Pedy when my father was mining. Then I started doing beach fishing trips, York Peninsula, Moana. I was a regular side at Moana, towing people out of the beach. From there, a couple of trips interstate. Went to Sydney, did the Great Ocean Road, spent some time in Sydney, spent 3 months parked this at Bondi Beach for 3 months. I just lived in it. Every day, showering at the beach, swimming at the beach. Just really enjoying life. I was over there doing some interviews for a few jobs, which didn't work out at that time. So what do? We come back via Falls Creek, and I had this truck in Falls Creek for 3 or 4 months. I stayed in Mount Beauty and drove to the snow every day. So every day up the mountain to Falls Creek, did a great job. Then we'd have a few drinks, obviously, as you do, and you drive it back down the mountain. Did a great job also. Here we go, just getting to Automasters. Going to come into their car park and block up their whole car park. Let's see. Have a bit of a chat, get ready.